Hey there, Zikal, and in this video we'll see how we can install the Maven for our Windows. Before that, let us check that MVN version. Then it will show you that MVN is not recognized as we have not any Maven installed in our system. Now go to the website and write Maven download. Okay, and there will be a first website, apache.org. Go to that one, and here you can see a binary zip file option is there. So click on this. It will start downloading a zip file. Now you can see this has been downloaded, and right click on this and extract files wherever you would like to extract. So I will extract this in my C drive. See, in the C drive I have Apache Maven. So now go to that folder, go to bin, and click the upper path. Okay, this one, click on this path and click copy. Now go to the edit system environment variables, then click on environment variables. In the advanced tab there will be an option of environment variable. Go to that, and here you can see uh, there is a below path. Okay, double click on that, click on new, and paste that copied file location whatever you have copied from here. You will be pasting that. Click on OK, OK, and then OK. Now when you will again check in the CMD MVN version, then you can see it will get shown that yes, Apache Maven 3.9.6 has been installed in our system. So this is how we can work with that.